it was another question about the soul. So it's very interesting question. And tell the truth, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this question. I never saw it, but Beezrat HaShem, I don't have time to research it. I'm telling everybody right away. So, but it's very interesting question. The question was, what happens to the when somebody converts? A person gets a Jewish soul. That's understandable. That's good, right? New soul. That's good. But what happens to the old soul? Is it going back to Shamayim to be judged? Maybe. I never looked into it, so I don't know. So let's leave it. I'm going to keep in mind. Maybe we're going to get to it one day. Beezrat HaShem.
What I heard about Jewish soul, it's not different soul. It's additional soul or spark. It's if person converted, he got additional some spark or soul.
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay. So what Abraham is saying that when a non-Jew converts, he keeps the original soul and gets extra soul of a Jew, like extra part of the soul. I'm not sure 100%. That's I don't want to comment. Maybe yes, maybe not. I'm not sure. But thank you. So if you know the source, please give us the source. We can double check. But once again, if I'm not sure about something, I don't want to comment. But once we learn, once we come across, for sure we're going to give you the answer. Okay.